What's up guys, it's Bubblegum Ninja. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a long-awaited moving day and I'm moving into my very first apartment for my sophomore year in college. I'm going to be living there with 3 other girls. One of them was my roommate from last year and the other 2 are friends. I just got back from a vacation, so I literally packed everything yesterday. I started at like 5 p.m. even though I'm moving today. And the stakes aren't too high because I'm not super far away, so I could always come back if I need something. But like we rented a van because we have quite a bit to bring. Like I'm impressed on how fast I packed, but I'm just so freaking excited. It's like 10 right now and we're leaving at 11:30. Let me just show you all of the stuff that's downstairs. So that's my big pile of stuff. Plus I have like a bed. Oh, there's my mattress. But the thing that I'm most excited for is my bed because I've had this tiny twin-size bed my whole life. And it's super comfy, but it's small. But I just paid for my own bed. I got a full-size new mattress, new bed frame, pillows, blankets, comforters. It's gonna be like so comfy and so cute. And I'm trying to pack as little as I can this year. I really want to minimalize. Like I'm not bringing much decorations at all, just because I want to see how it fits the space and everything. But yeah. Okay, so this is officially all of the stuff that we're bringing. And this huge TV stand that I actually repainted yesterday. Here's O'Malley. But yeah, we're gonna start loading up the truck. Here's the truck. Points! 10 of them.
I'm still filming.
Stop. Alright guys, we're on the move. My dad is driving the van and I'm with him. And then my brother and my mom are coming in a different car. We ordered Jimmy John's, we're gonna pick that up on the way, but it shouldn't be too much longer until we get there. Okay guys, we're here, first walk in, and here is the big area, like the living room. Here's a bedroom and a big closet. Over here is the kitchen. Back down this hallway is a very small bathroom. And then here's mine and Amy's room with the closet. So that's my little empty room tour. I need to go. I just brought one bag with me. I have the keys and I'm hyped. I'm the first one in here. And this is so exciting. Oh my god, white walls, great for lighting. Oh my god, look at this light. I'm just freaking out. Let me pose. Hey guys, first roommate is here. It's Amy. She was my roommate from last year. She just stepped out, so I didn't film her. But I will get them on camera. But we're making some progress. Here's what's inside. That's her stuff, and I think I hear someone else coming. Oh, hi!
Hi, good to see you.
I'm not completely done. There's still another pillow, but here's my bed. It looks so nice and comfy. It's all new stuff. Oh, but here's Amy. Hi! She returns. So we have my bed set up. She's putting together my table. Her bed's all done, and her desk is right here. Alright guys, it's like 10 at night right now. We're just chilling. Here's Cameron, say hi.
Hello.
And Stella. And we went to Safeway, and that's about it. So have a great day, everyone. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.